What's up, guys? We're back with another video for the 65 Fastback. Today we're going to be painting the interior of the car. It's not like it's going to be seen by anybody. It's we're painting everything that is under all the carpeting and the headliner and all that good stuff. The reason why we're painting it is just to protect it from future rust, just to give it that extra seal. So we have primer, seam sealer, and right now the product that we're going to paint over it is Eastwood's Rust Encapsulator. So it's nothing special. It's a matte black finish, but it should keep it safe. We're going to go ahead and start with the roof, kind of go start at the bottom and find our way at the nah, that's not the top. So the order we're going to go in as a painting is we're going to start at the top and work our way down. I'm going to start with the roof, get to the side vents, the thing that makes the Fastback cool, and then we're going to work our way to the back section, under the dash, and then finally to the floor pans, and we should be good to go. I'm assuming 2 coats should be fine, but we'll see as we go. So we are going to be using a spray gun for this, and the air compressor I have, obviously. But for the hard to reach places, which I'm assuming I'm going to have trouble getting the gun under the dash, so for that we have the aerosol can, which is going to be a little easier to move around there. And then another cool product that I got from Eastwood is the internal frame coating. So this comes with a little nozzle, and you just stick it into the little crevices and spray away. And I've used it already, and I've sprayed some of the areas, and it does work pretty good, and it does coat them really well. So we're going to be using this on the areas I didn't coat with, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so now we have everything we need. We have our respirator, our spray gun, of course the rust encapsulator, a mixing stick, some Prepsol, and some filters, and then we should be good to go. So let's get started. Alright, so it's laying down pretty nice. Still flattening out. The guns did start dripping, so I'm gonna be staying for a couple weeks. But let's keep on going and see how all of it turns out. Okay, I just touched it. Alright, so it looks like we're about done for the day. We got 90% of the interior covered with paint. The 10% that we didn't get is going to be the parts that are exposed, parts that aren't covered by anything, which is the front, the face dash, and then the A-pillar right here. But other than that, everything looks pretty good. It didn't have to be perfect anyway because it's going to be under carpeting and upholstery. But looks like that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to keep on following along with this project, go ahead and hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.